Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Sunday. Today I am going to be doing, first, I almost forgot. Let me show you my finished piece. This is my this is about 17.5 inch Lazy Susan that I did in my last video with the bloom technique, or excuse me, the video before last. The bloom technique, I've got 3 coats of the Let's Resin on here. I've got it sanded down on the back so it's nice and smooth. I've got about a 7.5 inch base, and I put some sticky adhesive tape with grippies on the bottom so that it won't slide around. Got a nice little Lazy Susan on here so it will spin nicely. This is a 17.5 inch. This one goes for $70 because this is a lot thicker than my smaller ones. So this is the medium size, and the medium size sells for $50. This big one sells for $70. And then I have my smaller size that I did about 3 videos ago, and those are for $30. So if you like this big hoss, let me know. I can wrap it up and send it out to you. And if you want any of the other sizes, you can let me know there too. All right. Okay, so for today's video, I am very, very inspired by Fiona's, I think it's the last video she did. She did this cool little bloom blowout that looked like a flower, and then gave it one base coming down from the flower. It was really, really beautiful. I wanted to try it with some different colors. I've got a bunch of round canvases that I wanted to play with, and I think this would be the perfect idea to try this out on, since that's what she did hers on too. So let's get down on the canvas and we'll get started, and I'll talk about the canvas and the colors. All right, be right back. All right, so I've got a 16-inch round canvas, and my colors I'm going to use today are going to be my TLP and Saphire. So I took a little bit, I took about 2 scoops of the TLP pigment, and then I just squirted some Josonia varnish on it to make it wet, turned it into a little slurry, and then I added my pouring medium. You can find my pouring medium and everything, all my mixing instructions in the description box below. This here's my TLP Psych. Love that color. Going with one of my faves in the Amsterdam in Greenish blue. And then I've got some Azo gold I'm going to use up instead of mixing up new gold. I figured I would go ahead and just use that up. All right, so let's start off by putting out some of our PPG Multi-Pro white. And I do want to do like Fiona did in her video, is create that negative space, kind of creating that flower. But I'm not going to, I'm not going to blow this out like she did with her mouth. I'm going to blow it out with the blow dryer. Just moving some of this paint up to the edge so that when it blows out, it's got some place to go. Okay, I think what I'm going to start off with is some of the greenish blue. Then we'll use some TLP Psych. Sapphire. Gold. I'm going to come in with just a little bit of my greenish blue. And what I'm going to do is put the cell activator here and blow it across the paint upwards. And the cell activator we're going to use is white. All right, let's blow it.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah, there's room at the table for big and for small. The fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep.
Just do a little bit of an erase of that line there.
So all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Take a little black cell activator here. And I'm going to swipe here at the edge.
All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Okay, we got the cells, kind of got some leafy looking stuff there. Really cute. All right. Let's see what happens when we give it a little spin here. Actually, let's All right. Flower didn't quite flower out like I thought it would, but let's see what let's see what happens with some spins. I'm not going to spin it super fast. Interesting. Kind of cool. Looks nothing like Fiona's, and that's okay. You can see the sapphire, you can see the gold. Yeah, we've got some more paint here to get off. All right. Going to leave it right here. I like it. It's different. All right, I'm going to take it down, put it on some cups, and then I will bring you guys over to see the wet result. All right, guys, so here we are with the wet result. So it's not like Fiona's, but that's okay. Doesn't need to be an exact replica. I don't want to be an exact replica. But very ocean vibe colors like these with the black cell activator coming down, looking like a branch. Pretty cool, right? I think so. All right, let's see. I'm not sure if this will be dry in time for Sunday's video, but we'll see. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. The painting is still here on the table. It's drying, but it is drying really, really well. I like this color combination. I think I probably could have not put the greenish blue on top of everything because you'll see it when it dries, but it's got some gold in it, but it doesn't have a lot of gold. And so I'm thinking maybe, I would like to do a series of these type of paintings. This is really, really cool. Great idea from Fiona. I'm thinking maybe I could do the color again, but don't put the greenish blue on top and put the cell activator and blow the cell activator over top of the gold. That might have given me a little bit more contrast because this is just very, very underwater themed if I had to pick a theme for it. But I really, really like the composition of this. So once it's dry, I'll put it in the next video. Everyone have a great rest of the Sunday. I've talked long enough. I think Nate is up next, so let's head over to his channel. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.